one for the little bitty baby.
My Jesus was
The ring of fire.
Hey my loves, welcome back to another reaction video. Today I'm going to be reacting to, and I'll be reacting to them singing Free Bird, and this one was performed live at Oakland Coliseum Stadium. But before we go on, if this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Onyipel and I am your favorite Nigerian YouTuber, so please make sure to subscribe before going, okay? Do not make it your last here. I promise you're gonna love it here, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. If you all are ready, I am always ready, and let's just get right into it. The love. Wow, what was that? Wait. You guys, what was that? I need to take that back a little bit. I need to hear that again. Wow. Wow. Nice. That's an acoustic guitar.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. Play it pretty for Oakland.
Wow. Wow, it seems like it's only women that is here. Or am I just, is that just my eyes? Because, I mean, just a lot of women here.
Billy Powell on piano.
Wow. Wow.
Bye, bye, baby. It's been a sweet life. Oh, yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change. But please don't take this so badly. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. How about you? And a bird will never change. Oh, and a bird cannot change. And this world you cannot change. Love knows I can't change.
Wow.
Help me, I can't
Oh my god, the crowd is something else. And again, the switch, they just switched. Okay, because all along it's just been like a kind of cool, song, and they just switched it now. Wow. Okay. Woo! Wow. 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 Oh my god. This is crazy. My God. Okay, I thought wow.
One of the great ones, Leonard Skinner. Let's hear it for them. Man, that band's so good, you'd think they were from San Francisco, would you?
Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I'm dumbfounded. Honestly, I don't even know what to say, because what did I just watch? What did I just watch? I did not see any of this coming. I didn't see it coming in any way, because I mean, you could tell from the beginning of the song, it was just so relaxing. There was nothing much. Like, you wouldn't ever believe that you were going to experience something like this in the middle of the song. Like, I didn't see any of that coming. They swept me off my feet. Like, they literally took me up from here to here. Like, wow. When this song was suggested to me, the person actually suggested this live performance and the audio version of it. And you guys know, as a sucker of live performance, I would always choose the live performance. And you guys, I do not in any way regret it, okay? I enjoyed every bit of it. And initially I was also asking if this was just only for women, because it was almost like everybody there was a woman. You know, it was just ladies that were there. There were so much ladies. I feel like, okay, maybe they have more fans, female fans rather than that of male fans. Anyway, I also got to see guys in the crowd, so it wasn't just only for female. Anyways, fam, I've come to the end of this particular reaction video. Hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, you already know what to do. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts, of course, down in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel at this point, please make sure to subscribe, and of course turn your bell icon on so you always get notified whenever I drop a new video. And I will see you all in my next one. Till then, keep being amazing, and do not forget that I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.